Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to add products from AliExpress directly into your Shopify store? In this video, I will show you exactly how to import products using this search. Fast, easy, and perfect for dropshipping. Let's get started. First of all, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Then click Apps. Then head to the App and Sales Channel Settings tab. Now click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, search for Desserts AliExpress Dropshipping and click Install, then open. Desserts is the official AliExpress dropshipping partner, so it's reliable and free to get started. Next, you need to connect your AliExpress account to Desserts. In the Desserts dashboard, click Authorize AliExpress, then log into your AliExpress account and give permissions. If you haven't already an account, just click Don't have an AliExpress account and enter your email address. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary mail for privacy. So copy the copy your mail, or you can use your Google and Facebook, Twitter account. I'll just enter the email address, then click continue. Now verify it. Now enter the verification code from your mail inbox. Copy the code and paste it here. Then click register. Now enter a password and make sure it's strong like that. Then click submit. Now go back to research tab, then click AliExpress. Then click access now. Enter your email address and password. Then click sign in. This allows Desserts to pull product data and place orders automatically for you. Now enter your mobile number and paste the code from your mobile number. Now it's time to find winning products. Go to the find suppliers in suppliers tab in Desserts like that. Desserts, find suppliers. It's look like that. or go to aliexpress.com directly. Once you find a product you like, copy the URL like that, click on it and copy the URL from here, or scroll down, then click share, or then choose a platform like Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter, or just copy the URL, then paste the link into the search import from URL box and add to import list. Before you publish, go to your import list. Here you can edit the product title. Here, write your own product description. Choose which images to keep. Set product pricing. Make sure your product looks clean and matches your store's branding. Once everything looks good, click Push to Shopify. This publishes the product to your store with your edited details. You can now find the product in your Shopify dashboard under Products. To keep your store organized, go to Product section in Shopify, then click Collections, add your imported product to a collection like Best Seller or Men's Watches. This helps with better navigation and improves customer experience. And that's how you import products from AliExpress into your Shopify store using this search. Easy, fast, and beginner friendly. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.